Um, the Soviet trade at most comprised about one quarter of Finland's exports. He's a, yeah. The system of bilateral clearing agreements on which the Soviet-Finnish trade was based required that any increase in Finnish imports from the Soviet Union would be accompanied by a corresponding increase in exports to the Soviet Union in order to maintain the bilateral party discipline. Um, and then at the beginning of the 1980s, Finland increased its imports of Soviet oil, which allowed it to increase its exports to the Soviet Union. This procedure accounted for the steady growth of Finnish-Soviet trade into the late 1980s. By 1988, about 90% of Soviet exports to Finland consisted of oil. Because the Finns imported more oil than they could consume domestically, they re-exported it to other Scandinavian and West European countries. Um, and hmm, The Finns complained in late 1987 and early 1988 of a declining Soviet ship orders and delinquent payments. The share of Finland's exports to the Soviet Union, which had previously been as high as 25%, dropped to 15% in 1988.